Is that worth taking, boys?
Yeah.
No, hey, but
is it worth
that
taking?
means no right to think there's the purpose of a search, but I imagine that's all of it, though, isn't it? Yeah, we'll have to search your car.
But it's all in.
Alright, bet. I am going to put you in cuffs now, but. Right, I'm going to have more years, son.
For what?
Right. Is it down the kegs, bet?
No, it's in the zip.
How much you got, son? Come on, which side do you know we are?
I know, boys. It's not
Is that yours, bet?
Yeah, it is. It's
What
not mine, boys.
It's not yours?
No, it's not mine.
It's in your zip pocket,
Yeah,
bet,
it's,
so-
no, it's in that zip there. It's,
Yeah,
What is it?
it's going to be hard, but.
it's a Kinder Egg, boy.
Have you got?
Yeah, boys.
Sort out we can, but.
It is right, boys. I promise
Good
you.
lad, I got Kinder Egg in his thing.
Yeah, I'm happy to do that. So need to about.
Is it in a packet, but?
Yeah, they're all bagged up. They're not mine.
Oh my. Oh, you were right though.
How many bags, but?
I don't know. I don't know, because it's not mine. I just got it. And I'm not snitching anyone up, boys. I'm telling
I
you
was
it's not
sitting with
mine.
it.
Tell me about it.
So it's not mine, but I just didn't want it in my house. Like, I don't know what happened with the weed and stuff.
My girlfriend is gonna come here now, boys. And be like,